We had a very hard winter. How can I tell if my boxwoods are still living, Miss Ginny? How do you think you can tell if they're still living, though?
Well, you can take a sharp knife and go and just barely scrape the wood on the plant, in the lower part of the plant, and you'll find green there if it's still alive, and it won't be long before it will be putting out again.
That's right. And if you don't find that green?
Ooh, that's not good.
It's not good.
If there's no green there, you've probably lost your plant, and you're going to have to replace it.
Okay.
Yeah, I would agree with that, yeah. And a lot of this winter we've gotten some really cold temperatures in this area that was not normally, we don't normally get. So, but we luckily had snow cover. And if you'll notice, everything above the snow cover with those very, single digit temperatures really burned a lot of the evergreen shrubs that we have. And yeah, we'll have to see. I think the rest of it's green, it'll come out, but we may have to, if those don't change color back to green, drop their leaves and come back out green, we may have to cut the tips off that died, but it shouldn't have killed outright, hopefully not too much.
Yeah. Right. I wonder if are they cold hardy, the boxwoods? I mean, can they survive pretty low temperatures for the most part?
Yeah, because they grow up north. They have them in all sorts of estates around, and yeah,
they can survive up there. They can take high temperatures.
I would hope so. Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah, but you're right. If you've seen around the landscape, I mean, the bronze colored leaves, or they look orange. Yes, those winter winds.
Just plain brown.
Just burn them for sure. Yeah. But yeah, just scrape them, and hopefully you find green tissue. You'll be all right. If not,
get the shovel.
Get the shovel. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.